This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. The Netherlands Public Prosecution Service has lodged an appeal against Jah Cure's acquittal for attempted murder. In March, reggae star Jah Cure was convicted of attempted manslaughter and sentenced to 6 years in prison in the Netherlands. The behind these prison walls singer was found not guilty of attempted murder by the court, which rejected his self-defense claim. But now, the Dutch prosecutors appear to be taking aim at him once again to overturn his acquittal on attempted murder charges. People's National Party caretaker for the Guild Division in St. Mary, Giovanni Byfield, is calling on policymakers to take better care in the packaging and labeling of tourism products from the parish to help boost the St. Mary tourism product and overall appeal. In a statement on Tuesday, Byfield pointed to a growing trend where attractions, though physically located in St. Mary, are tagged as being of Oteria St. Anna dresses. The councillor said St. Mary has for too long been deprived of boasting the glory and recognition for hosting some of the island's best treasures, which are branded and sold as being in Oterias. In other news, the police are investigating a double murder on Park Lane in Kingston, which was reportedly carried out by attackers disguised as lawmen. The incident occurred around midnight on Tuesday. A motive has not yet been established for the killing. Taxi operators in Portmore St. Catherine this morning protested a police shooting that left one of their colleagues wounded. Reports are that the incident occurred around 10 a.m. on Dawkins Drive in the parish. In international news, a few years after Nancy Crampton Brophy wrote an essay called How to Murder Your Husband, she is now accused of fatally shooting her husband to gain more than $1.5 million in life insurance. Crampton Brophy has remained in custody since her arrest in September 2018, facing a charge for the murder of Daniel Brophy, whose body was found with a gunshot wound to his back and another in his chest. At the start of the trial on Monday, Judge Christopher Ramras announced that the essay would be excluded from the trial's evidence. In entertainment, reggae artist Chronnixx has jumped to defend the predominantly white Grammy-winning group SOJA after their reggae album win ignited a firestorm of criticisms on social media. In an Instagram story post on Monday, Chronnixx called for industry insiders and Jamaicans to desist from belittling the group's achievement. The Smile Jamaica singer refused to join the chorus of dissent alleging cultural appropriation and racial favoritism, which has erupted online. Chronnixx was nominated for a Grammy in 2018 for his album Chronology, eventually losing to Damian Jr. Gong Marley with his album Stony Hill. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.